Is Shri Ram a myth? In 2007, the UPA government gave an affidavit in the Supreme Court that Shri Ram is a mythological character. I will now give you detailed and interesting information about Shri Ram. Think over it and tell me if such information about an imaginary character is possible or not. The kingdom of Kausal was ruled by Dashrath. He had three wives, Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra. They had four sons, Shri Ram from Kaushalya, Bharat from Kaikeyi, and Lakshman and Shatrugna from Sumitra. Dashrath and Kaushalya also had a daughter named Shanta. She was married to sage Rishyashring. Shri Ram married Sita ji and they had two sons, Lav and Kush. Lakshman married Sita's sister Urmila and they also had two sons, Angad and Chitraketu. One also finds a mention of Lakshman's great grandson Malav. Bharat got married to Mandavi, daughter of Janak's brother Kushaketu, and they had two sons, Taksh and Pushkal. Shatrugna married Kushaketu's daughter Shrutakirti and had two sons, Subahu and Shrutasen. Ravan's great grandfather was Brahma. His son was Pulatsya. Pulatsya's son was Vishrava. Vishrava's son was Ravan. Ravan's mother was Kekasi and maternal grandfather was Sumali. Ravan had a stepbrother called Kuber and two brothers, Kumbhakaran and Vibhishan. Ravan had one sister named Shurpanakha. Among Ravan's sons were Meghnad, Akshay Kumar, Atikaye. In Hindu scriptures, 119 kings of the solar dynasty Suryavansh have been mentioned, in which there are Surya, Vaivaswat Manu, Ikshvaku, Trishanku, Harishchandra, Sagar, Dilip, Bhagirath, Rituparna, Mulak, Raghu, Aj, Dasharath, Shri Ram, Kush, Brihadbal, Prasenjit, Shudrak, and Sumitra. Before Shri Ram, there are 60 kings, and after Shri Ram, there are 58 kings. During the reign of which ancestor of Shri Ram did the Matsya avatar take form? His name was Vaivaswat Manu. During the deluge, Matsya avatar revealed to Vaivaswat Manu the secret of the self. During the time of which ancestor of Shri Ram did the Parshuram avatar take form? His name was Mulak. He was saved by the women of the family from Parshuram and as a result was also known as Nari Kavach. During the time of which descendant of Shri Ram did the Shri Krishna avatar take form? They were Brihadbal and Raja Agrasen. Brihadbal was killed by Abhimanyu on the 13th day of the Mahabharat war. During the time of which descendant of Shri Ram did the Buddha avatar take form? His name was Prasenjit. He married a lady from the clan of Buddha. During the time of which ancestor of Shri Ram the romance of Nala Damayanti take place? His name was Rituparna. He taught Nal the tricks of the game of dice. In the lineage of Shri Ram's son Kush comes Raja Agrasen. From him come the 18 Agrawal Gotras. These Gotras are continuing even to this day. In the lineage of Shri Ram's son Lav comes Raja Kal Rai. From his son Arut comes the Aroda Gotra, which is alive even today. From Kush comes the Kushwaha Rajput clan. Former princess of Jaipur, Diya Kumari, is the 310th descendant of Sri Ram. The Mewar royal family comes under the lineage of love. Raghav Rajputs also come under the lineage of love. From Lakshman's great grandson Malav comes the Sirohi royal family. Jethwa Rajputs are descendants of Hanuman's son Makardhwaj. The descendants of Princess Suri Ratna, a descendant of Sri Ram, are alive in South Korea even today. Most places connected with Ramayana are present even today, like Ayodhya, Saryu River, Chitrakoot, Ganga and Yamuna rivers, Panchavati in Nasik, Godavari River, Sabarimala, Rameswaram, Ramasetu, and Lanka. Lakshman founded the city of Lucknow. Shatrughna killed Lavanasur and founded the city of Mathura. Lav and Kush founded the cities of Lahore and Kasur, which are in today's Pakistan. Lakshman's great grandson Malav founded the city of Multan in Pakistan. Sri Ram and his three brothers were born in Ayodhya, which is in today's Uttar Pradesh. Hanumanji was born on the hills of Anjanadri in Karnataka. Ravan was born in Bisrak, which was named after his father Vishrava. It is in today's Uttar Pradesh. Ravan's wife Mandodari was born in Mandsaur in Madhya Pradesh. Is so much information possible about an imaginary character? Tell me in the comments below. Jai Shri Ram.